Sagittarius Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these oracle decks that I have here. Sagittarius, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Page of Pentacles. Communication had definitely increased in this time. I think many of you had made minor gains, though you were promised much. Incidentally, you also sought after for your words of wisdom. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Six of Pentacles. I think you may feel quite irritated in this period, or maybe you will be quite temperamental. So that is why I think it would be advisable to weigh your words very carefully. Many times you may also feel as though money is flowing out. Expenses are definitely going to mount. So maybe you will be feeling challenged with respect to finances. Influences for this month, we have the Three of Swords. Like I said, you should be careful of your words. Maybe your harsh words could affect your relationship. Many of you could also be dealing with some kind of a rift in a relationship. Maybe there could be separation as well. For some of you, I'm also picking up that it could be your health could be a matter of concern. So that is why you should safeguard your health. Perhaps Sagittarians, you should also do some aura cleansing to get rid of the negative energy that is there, which is affecting you internally. Another thing, Sagittarians, you also have to brace yourself for hectic activity. Work pressure could also mount on you. Maybe you feel that the boss is saddling you with excess work. Sometimes, the work environment could also be very oppressive. That is why you may want to free yourself from these chains and shackles. Or you want to apply for better job opportunities as well this month. Only this month is also asking you to focus a bit more with respect to work. You have to combat the envy or the jealousy that is there, which September is going to present. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Two of Cups. Overall contentment can be expected in this time. I think reunions are also going to be there. You will be meeting up with people. You'll be socializing a bit or enjoying good food as well. Nevertheless, in personal relationships, you may feel as though some person is quite devious or this person is hell-bent on creating mischief in your life. Other than that, unexpected surprises are also on the cards. Again, this month you have to be on your toes. You have to brace yourself for sudden change of plans. Your schedule could also go for a toss. In these days, you'll also get credit for your professional approach. Maybe appreciation is also going to come in. Largely, I think the output will be well liked. I think while dealing with clients also, you should ask for more, or you should ask for an increase in wages as well in these times. Incidentally, those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you should make allowances for your juniors. Maybe you're coming across as someone who is quite boorish, and it may not go down well with your juniors. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th September, we have the Six of Wands. Certainly the spotlight is on you, Sagittarians, and this time you will be sought after. In fact, you're also going to turn heads on account of your look. Basically, your popularity seems to be on an all-time high. Besides, I think your intelligence or your intuitive abilities will also help you make gains. Everyone will agree to your foresight. I think you're somebody who is not going to tolerate injustice. I think you will speak up and draw attention in case you're experiencing bias within the home or within the work environment. You will definitely lash out at acquaintances who have misbehaved with you in the past. Maybe you will give them a piece of your mind. Work-wise, again, it was going to be a very hectic period. You'll have to commute back and forth. Maybe you should also be careful while dealing with paperwork or official documents, because there could be errors. That is why you feel that your work is being held up, or that is why you have to commute to and fro. I think payment is also going to come in, or your past dues are also going to be cleared. Incidentally, Sagittarians, you may feel as though your pockets aren't too deep. You may feel as though someone hasn't been transparent with respect to financial matters, so therefore you desire greater clarity. I think you will also feel that someone has been insincere. As a boss also, you will be quite impatient with slow workers. Maybe you're going to look for suitable replacements. I think many of you will also be considering renovating your home, but you should Weigh the pros and cons before you go ahead. The last 10 days of the month, we have the Page of Swords. Perhaps you could be contemplating on your future. Maybe you want to travel out of town on account of work, or perhaps you also want to enhance your skill sets. So that is why you want to join an educational course, or you're considering about signing up for an educational course, that is. But then there could be disagreements with family elders, especially with your father. Certainly this month you'll be quite irritable, or you will also have those quarrels with acquaintances and friends. Nevertheless, this is also the month which is asking you to be firm with respect to decision making. I think you're quite pushy and you want to promote your talents. You're somebody who's going to take matters headlong. Bookkeeping work or accountancy work will also keep you busy. I think while dealing with clients also you should make those allowances rather than let go of them. With respect to your love life, I have this card, separation. Certainly we did talk about a rift in your relationship, or maybe there's a physical distance that you're going to deal with. That is why I think even if you're in a romantic connection, you should be careful with your words. Single Sagittarians, you can expect marriage proposals, but then you may fear commitment, or you don't want to settle down because you feel that your pockets aren't too deep. That is why your family members may feel that you suffer from commitment phobia. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you feel that your love is not going to be reciprocated. Maybe there's some kind of realization here as well. Incidentally, we also have this card, living in a fool's paradise. Sagittarians, you should be more practical with respect to this connection. Maybe you feel that you're the one who's taking the initiative. Perhaps you're also cyberstalking this person. You do want clarity with respect to this connection, but then you're also being asked by the universe not to live in a bubble or in an imaginary world. Understand whether this relationship will go the distance. Perhaps you should not be walking with blinders on. Sagittarians, you will do well if you would focus on your own goals and ambitions this month. Romancing Sagittarians, I think your lover is somebody who is going to encourage you at work. Maybe you're going to discuss strategies with this person. You also feel that you want commitment from this person. Perhaps it's time to have that frank discussion. Married Sagittarians, I think you need to be careful. You should be tolerant of your person. Maybe your spouse and you could pick on each other. I think the health of a loved one could also be a concern here. Maybe money is being spent, that is why it could become an issue here. In case yours is an unhappy connection, I think mistrust could be there, which could rock the marriage boat. Infidelity could also be discussed. Those of you who are in an extramarital relationship or in a secret romance, I think you have to be very careful, because family elders could get a whiff of your secret romance or your clandestine love life. From Lenormand, we have this card, letter. Information is certainly coming in, whether in the form of emails or text messages. Maybe you're also going to deal with documents, because official documents or paperwork is something which came up in your reading in this month. Or perhaps you need to communicate with someone this month. The last card in this reading is the law of attraction. Certainly Sagittarians like attracts like. That is why you have to be careful of your intentions. Maybe you should only focus on positive words and thoughts. Some of you could be dealing with estranged people who want to re-enter your life. Maybe you want to distance yourself from this relationship. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you are being called upon to accept the changes that this month is going to throw up with grace and compassion, as it will make it easier for you. I hope Sagittarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.